Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, we will address the question of gallery proof. Here you can see we have an email of our accepted manuscript, and you guys will also receive email similar like to this. And here you can see in this email, we have one link which is embedded and it will take us to their online system of gallery proof editing. It may varies from journal to journal, but whatever, you can simply just copy this link and paste directly in your web browser. Here you can see now it is opening the editor. It may take few seconds. You can see the proof is already open using another link. Force opening will close the existing open proof. Yeah, so I will just continue. Here you can see it is showing our journal name, Canadian Science Publishing, and because this is just notes, we can simply close it, and you can see now our document is being validated. It may take few seconds. Yeah, right there. Here you can see I can see the corresponding author and the journal name, Canadian Journal of Forest Research. Yeah, that's all. Here you can see now I can see the question which were asked by copyright editor or production editor. You can see here is now this workflow. Actually, here are the different editors which have just performed editing of this manuscript, and now it is the author stage. It means now authors has to reply all these questions, and here whenever you will also receive your gallery proof, you will see few questions like here question 1, similarly like question 2. If we go like question 3, and similarly there are many places where they need to ask our approval, like here is question 8, and if I can see I have total 10 question, no sorry 11. So now I will tell you how we can address one by one. So the first is here you can see we can now copy editing review to author. So now here you can see they are telling about the tips that how we can navigate in this PXE system, and if we want to make any changes we can just add it using this tab, and if we want to see that whatever we have changed we can simply go to this tab and it will show us the revised changes in the red color. And here you can see this is showing that our files are identical because so far I didn't make any change. And at the last, whenever you have done with everything, you can see your proof in the form of PDF. So let's now go back to the edit tab and address answers of the questions one by one. So this is the first question, which is just simply telling the guide, so we can simply reply to this. Yeah, because this is just showing the information, so we can simply write like, dear editor, we have made or we have responded to, sorry for spelling mistake, responded to all question one by one. Yeah, we can simply insert this. You can see now our reply is just added by author. So the next question is here. You can see it is asking, please check that all author name are spelled correctly and the details of affiliation and author contribution are complete and associated with correct author. And also some author have not provided their ORC ID number. This is okay, but if the numbers are available, the author is okay to publish them. But it is important that the first author and the corresponding author must should give their ORC ID. Others, if they want, they can give. Otherwise, even if you don't give, it is okay. So I will reply to this. I have confirmed that name and spelling of authors are correct. Yeah, we can also edit reply by clicking on the I have confirmed the name, that author names, spellings, and affiliation, because they also asked us to check the affiliation name. Here you can see, here we have a affiliation key laboratory of crop physiology, and whatever is your university, you can check spelling and affiliation of authors are correct. Yeah, we can insert. And similarly, we can go here you can see copy editor Aptera. Here the copy editor is asking question to the author. The reference of Ho et al is cited in the text, because this is the text version, and here you can see they are asking about this reference, that this is cited here actually, but problem is that it is not present in the reference list. Please either delete in the text, either we should delete this or we should give the full reference in the detail. So let me check the references. Here you can see yeah, actually we have her et al, but the real problem is that this manuscript was actually published in 2017, but I mistakenly wrote 2016 here, so I can just make any changes. Like here I just wrote 17, so I can reply this is, yeah, in text it should be her et al 2017. Yeah, just insert this. And here you can see the next question is the reference of Piao et al is cited in the text. Yeah, this Piao et al is cited in the text but not listed in the reference list. So if I check the reference list whether there is Piao et al, yeah, we can go one by one and check. Yeah, this reference is not available, so we can go back to our system and we can check through Google Scholar for this. So I have already found this manuscript reference, so let me copy this. Yeah, here you can see I have just already found, so I will simply copy this all, and here you can see this is the scientific name. It should be italic, so let me make it italic before copying. So we can simply go here and we can paste here and we can insert. You can see we have just pasted the reference, that's fine. So now the reference of Yang et al, yeah, this reference is also missing. So I have already checked in the references that this reference is also missing, and I have already found through Google Scholar. So let me make it italic this one as well, and we can simply copy this all and paste it here. Yeah, you can see our reference is added. While going down, we can be careful. Yeah, if you see that if there is any mistake which is not mentioned by copy editor or production team, you can make changes, but try to highlight using this system so that it can also be done in the final production form. Yeah, many students ask me whether they can add any author name in this after the acceptance of this paper. So my answer would be no, because once the paper has been accepted and forwarded to the production team, you cannot add any other author or any more authors. But however, you can carefully check the spelling and you can add author affiliation if needed. Yeah, the next question is, please provide significance of star and double star symbol in the table 1. And you can see here is the star, single star and double star. And they are asking what actually these single star and double star mean. Yeah, but here we have already provided in the P table. So probably the production editor didn't notice this P value. So we can tell about this. We have already provided P values of each star, each value. We have provided P values of each term against each row in the table. So it's not needed. Yeah, if you think that they are asking for something which is not needed, of course you can write like this. And next question is, please confirm whether the edit made to this section heading effect of different fertilizer on biomass carbon sequestration retain the intended meaning. Yeah, I think so, it is giving the right meaning. So we can write like, I confirm meaning is right or retained. We can write like this. And what's next? Next question 8 is, the meaning of sentence fertilizer has shown to alter the biomass allocation in plants. Similarly, in plant study, the above ground biomass was significantly consistent. Higher than the below ground biomass is unclear. Please clarify. So what we can make changes like, actually we should write fertilizer application has shown to increase, has shown an increase in the biomass, has shown an increase in the biomass. Yeah, fertilizer application has shown to change the biomass allocation in plants consistent to similarly in the present study, consistently in the present study, consistently in the present study, the above ground biomass accumulation was significantly higher than that of the below ground biomass. So here we can write, we have made changes to the mentioned sentence. That's it. And here you can see copy editor is asking please verify all authors contribution. Yeah, here that which author has done which part of the research work. So we can similarly write I can confirm and here is one more question that what is the question? Yeah, you can see the reference please either, because now this is that reference which was actually we have mentioned this reference, we have mentioned its citation in the text. That's it. And here was another last question. Yeah, copy editor is asking please provide the access date of this reference. So yeah, make sure that this reference should be before the submission of this manuscript. So we can write like accessed on 2013, because this link is of the online database, so we should must, because as databases are keep on revising day by day, so we should mention the date. Yeah, that's it. You can see we have addressed all the questions. You can check once again and make sure if you have answer to the all questions. And here you can see we can view the changes. Yeah, you can see now we have made all the changes, and we can click on this save to save our all changes. You can see now it is saving the document, and now we can view the changes and we can refresh. Now it is comparing the fresh version with the older version. Here the highlighted or the changed version would be mentioned in red, because here we have added few words. Let me see if, yeah, here you can see fertilizer application has shown to change the biomass application in plants consistently in the present study. Yeah, you can see that changes have been saved. So we similarly we can also check the proof PDF, that how our paper will be displayed in the form of PDF. You can see here, this is, although system generated file, few changes may occur, but it may look like the final version of your published form. Yeah, that's it. It looks beautiful. Yeah, you can see here are the authors, and here is the journal name, introduction. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, you can see even in the discussion section. Yeah, you can download it for yourself before submitting this version. Yeah, because now you see we have done all, so we can simply finish and submit. So make sure once again and check everything that you have fully addressed the question of all authors and production team. That's it, and at the last you can simply finish and submit. Yeah, if you want to send any attachment, you can also attach any new figure while submitting. If you want to improve, you can improve, but we have not changed any figure, so we don't need to attach anything. That's it, and we can simply finish and submit. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see now it is showing the completion of one assignment on our user, and so you can see we have now an inbox message about the completion of this. You can see now we have just submitted our proof. So once we will click on this link, so it will show you that you have already submitted your final proof. Yeah, you can see the now article is moved to another role, so link is expired. So it means now we have successfully submitted our gallery proof. So hopefully this video will be helpful in doing final proof and final checks for your gallery proof before the publication of your accepted manuscript. So if you have still any question in the use of any gallery proof system, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.